Hello guys, welcome to all of my YouTube channel Cycle396 Edu. In this tutorial, I will show you 12 good Kali Linux process. First of all, I need to download Kali Linux. So I'm going to official page of Kali Linux. This is the Kali Linux official website. This is the download link. This is the latest version of 2020 Kali Linux. And click it to download. Yes, download started. Downloading. I'm already downloaded, so it's not need for my. And also need to refuse. So download the refuse software. Search refuse. This is the official website of refuse software. This is the download link. Very small software. So click it to download. Click here. Yes, download now. Starting. So I'm already downloaded. So I'm going to the computer management. Then I'll go and create the Linux partition. Where the install Linux? So this is the shrink. One. Yes, 100. 150. Start. Yes, unallocated. And click to write. New sample volume. Next, and automatic. The name is new volume. So rename it Linux because I will install Linux. Next, finish. Yes, formatting. Yes, create a new partition Linux. Yes, and then going to refuse. Close it and connect USB drive on your PC and going to refuse. This is the refuse. Click it. First time information gathering. Yes, loading. My USB drive is connected. Yes, this is my USB drive, 32 GB. Minimum 4 GB USB drive. And this is the and select the file, ISO file. And here is my ISO file. Yes, start. Yes, it is started. Okay. Yes, it is complete. And restart my PC. Press F2 F9 or play button on your keyboard for BIOS setting or F true only what is about on our motherboard. Then goes to USB legacy. Enable this. Enable this. System. Exit. Save and exit support. F5. Save and exit. Start and save change and restart. Press F2, F9 and delete button on the keyboard or F12 during the laptop start on PC start. Then go to USB EFI. This right. I am in India. Then default name Kali. Kali. Yeah, like Kali. Name. Whatever you choose as you wish. And the disk partition is very important part of install Linux. Is 100 GB partition created. Before install. Yes. Continue. Install the version. On your package manager. Yes, continue. Select the software. Skip video. Remove the USB drive. Yes, finishing installation. Continue. Solid minium. Opening. Solid. Here is the Linux 2020.1 latest version. And going to Windows 10. Yes, here is the Windows 10. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Subscribe for more.